Hi y'all, Dan here. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks for joining us. Today we're going to be starting out on the Uwharrie Wilderness Trail. And this trip we're going to have McIntyre coming with me. He's going to tell us how we're going to be going.
What we're going to do is, instead of following the trail which goes along the Burkhead Mountain Ridge, we're going to go a little east of that. We're going to follow this creek, and this is the Betty McGee Creek. We're going to go to the headwaters of it right there. Then we're going to go south of that to this creek, which is the headwaters of Hannah's Creek, and down here to this little mountain ridge here. So the first night we'll spend somewhere up here, the second night on top of that ridge, and then we'll come home somehow. I'm hoping coming home that we'll have enough time to swing way out here and explore this area.
We're exploring a whole new ground.
Bushwhack loop.
Bushwhack loop. Let's do it. Let's get on the trail.
The top of this hill.
Okay.
Top of this hill is an L. It goes that way and then that way, and that's where Greg does his bushcraft practice. If you go left on that ridge up there, you go down to a beautiful beaver pond, and Betty McGee Creek makes a big old swamp. It's wonderful. So I thought
really?
we'd visit the swamp and then come back this way and go south on that ridge.
Okay.
And then camp somewhere up high.
Sounds like a deal.
So, off we go. If I was younger, I'd have been across this already. Good for scratching your cats.
Somebody's made a campsite out here. Not too bad. Too bad. As widespread as these trees are, and with all these rock outcroppings, this is typical Uwharrie. Old mountain range. Yeah, McIntyre's on up here ahead of me, probably waiting for me. But let's go and get back on the trail. Oh, we've been following this roadway down through here, and McIntyre's showing me we're coming up on this marshy spot here at the end of the road. Let's get around. See that.
Can't really see it, but there used to be a bridge here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so we're going to go up and find a place to cross.
Okay. All right. Sort of makes me think of the way I was cutting across there at Hanging Rock last week.
Little aperitif for the beaver.
Huh. Tonight, when we set up camp, you got to show your Molly Mac gear. Oh, here's his outcropping here. It's really a pretty place. Been following this old road bed as we've gone into the wilderness area, going alongside the creek, and go up here for a ways and we'll make camp for the night. Well, here we are. We're setting up camp for the first night, and so I'll take you around and let you see everything. McIntyre's got his hammock set up, and he's got a spare in case I decide that I'll sleep in the trees, but Right now I'm set up in my tent over here. So there's my little palace. And then we're going to eat well tonight.
Come check this thing out.
Look at this.
I don't think anybody could refuse this.
Oh, buddy.
I don't know where it came from.
So we're going to have that with vegetables and...
See, here you go.
Yeah.
Got our dehydrated vegetables getting all cooked up.
Okay. All right. Now we'll be able to tell...
Living a good life.
Living a good life, tell camp stories.
Tell stories. Yep. Solve the world's problems. The only problem is if we disagree on something, there's no tiebreaker here.
Well, I don't think we disagree on much, so I think everything will be just fine. That was a walk, but you're right. This was the place that you wanted to be. This is
yeah. So you want a cryptic description of where we are?
Yeah.
We are on the east side of the Birkhead Wilderness, about halfway down. Let's see, about on the southwest side of Cedar Rock Mountain at the headwaters of Betty McGee Creek.
Well, we're getting ready to go to sleep for the first night. McIntyre's in his hammock. I'm getting ready to turn the light out in the tent here. But as a way of saying goodnight, let me just read a few verses from a poem written by my friend Francis Calvert. He calls this the ear of the universe. Whisper a word into the ear of the universe. Let it be heard across the cosmos, planting itself into our consciousness, the rhythm of life, synchronous with the beat of your heart. Visions cascade into creation, entering into our lives, opening our eyes and ears to the infinite beauty of the mystic way. Rivers of dreams flow relentlessly towards the seas of eternal happiness, where dreams come true. Young men shall see visions, and old men dream dreams. How beautiful visions and dreams are, the fabric of creation, the pulse of the cosmos, evolving into a concerto of celebration, bringing forth the music of infinity. Ah, how glorious, a transformation, how wondrous, the metamorphosis from music to silence, the ultimate expression of purpose, our meaning in life. The stars glisten like diamonds on velvet, providing a sense, awe at your creation. Well, tomorrow night I'll read a few more verses, but for now, stay healthy, stay safe, stay on the path. God bless, and good night.